What are they?
Rings.
What for?
Christmas tree.
Whose Christmas tree?
Grandma's.
And?
Grandpa's.
And? What if you make two?
I don't know.
Could you make two and that's it, Grandma? Could we, Grandma? Okay.
You want to make one for your tree?
Yeah. What's that horse you running?
I'm making a video. Can I take?
This way, right, Grandma?
Okay, your turn, Alex. Let me see, Gabby. Wow. Keep going. Let's see if Alex can do it too.
I just need this clay, right, Grandma? Right, Grandma?
Mm-hmm.
Grandma. Grandma. What's the Christmas one?
A what?
What's the new Explorer, the Christmas one?
You did?
Yeah. What are these for? Yeah, the new one.
Tell me about your piano lesson, Gavin.
Piano teacher.
What did he teach you?
Some things.
What?
Book. Like happy sounds, sad sounds, weird sounds, great sounds. Yep. That's how I did on the book.
You did?
Mm.
Do you like piano?
Yes.
Do you want to play like your brother?
Yes.
How are you playing it, Gavin? Alex?
Good.
With one hand or two?
Two and one.
What's your favorite song?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
All right.
Grandma, one size too big.
Well, just make it as big as you want.
Doesn't that say? Hey, I got an idea. How about we put each other's rings together?
And then?
We'll get bigger.